Hi. So I'm just showing you my robotics lab, SCARA robot. There's a lot more to all these labs, but I just kind of wanted to show you the highlights. And therefore, to save time, I've actually cut this video a bit. So here we see the SCARA robot. This is just a very basic version of it, and where we can change the different angles to create different X and Y coordinates. But what's pretty cool about these labs is soon I'm going to turn on the camera and we're going to use inverse kinematics, where we have a marker that I'm going to show you in a second. This marker, we're going to use that to actually change the robot's position. So this is called inverse kinematics. We use the marker for giving an X and Y and Z coordinate, and actually the angle too. You can see the shaft rotating a little bit. As long as I don't cover up the marker, that's also tricky. And then you see the robot actually following it compared. So we're comparing the marker to the Taroko board, and that's how we get what position the end effector should be in. So here, this is the last part of the lab. This is kind of the culmination of everything. We're going to be going over a method called C-traj, or Cartesian trajectories. And essentially the idea is we're going to use these three markers, and the robot's going to go between these three markers, but it's going to use smooth motion. So there's actually acceleration, there's velocity that's not constant, and this would be more like what you look to see in real life, and therefore you can, for instance, protect the motors if you have some acceleration and some deceleration once you get to the target. So yeah, thank you.